Okay, hello viewers, hello Phil. TK driving in a blizzard in Tokyo, and it's -0, or 0 I should say, and it's coming down. It's dropped about a good I'll say 20 centimeters of snow, and I'm out here I should say, having fun. All right, but would you believe this? This is what makes it so amazing. It's a testimony. I'm inside driving my Subaru Legacy BH-5 Turbo manual wagon. Now, you guys have the same car. It's called a Liberty, all right? A BH-5 Liberty. Now, look, you know, it's ice and snow here. And me, like an idiot, I'm driving out here on not studded tires, not snow tires. I don't have chains. I'm just on regular all-season radials. And I'm not slipping. I've got massive traction. It is amazing. I mean, it is the testimony to the Subaru symmetrical four-wheel drive system. You know, I drove an Evo in the snow, and it's a handful. This thing is just amazing. Okay, yeah, but you gotta watch it on the brakes because it doesn't want to stop. That's normal. But effing hell, no slip, nothing. Okay, sneaking into third. Here I go. Okay, just wanted to share with you. I love my BH, and for good reason. Dude, I'm not on snow tires. This is regular radials. Stupid, yeah, a little bit, but you know what? I've got traction and I'm moving forward. All right, out.